Oh, okay. So we're going ziplining right now, and we are in Quebec. I cannot wait to zipline. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, where's the turning thingy? So here I am in the helmet, walking to. Ноги высоко, babe. Oh, she made it. Okay. I'm not sure. Oh my God, you are good, babe. Babe, you're so good. You're so good. You're not gonna be scared of anything after this, are you? Oh my God. Do you know why I stuck? I kicked this with my feet.
Why?
I don't know. And I need an interview. How was it? How was it? Was it scary? Was it scary? Did you pee your pants? Okay. How was it, Dasha? Was it scary? I'm sure you were scared. I want to see her level of braveness and concentration. But it's going down, down. Girls, you're so brave. I'm so proud of you. You did the best. Skydiving and bungee? No, you're not doing bungee jumping.
View from the window. Quebec Fairmont Hotel.
So far so good? Not tired? Are you tired, Ash? Having fun? Alright. And that's how we're leaving the hotel on Thursday. It's cold and it's rainy. Rain. And what are we gonna do? Where are we going to? We're going to watch whales and this beautiful valley. Watching weather. Perfect for whale watching. Beautiful hotel. Beautiful. Lovely. I knew eventually it will come up. In a few minutes we are going in the sea to watch whales, and they show you what possible whales we can see. And this is a whale that we certainly will see because spotters spot them. So this one we're going to see fin whale, which is second in the world. I really want to see blue whale, honestly, like really want to. But second biggest worked just fine. We already seen that one in Boston. And we're going to see minke whale, which is a little bit on the small side, but this one is like twice or even 3 times bigger than that one. We're gonna have some seals. Beluga would be fun to see. Beluga whale. And that's where we are. We're in Canada, and I forgot the name of the city. I forgot the name of it. It's probably somewhere here. No, it's not. Battle of the Atlantic. And no, it's here.
Under the site and on
Okay,
deck.
so we took off to watch whales.
At the rear of the vessel. Please pay attention to the
Section of the boat.
illustrated on the compartment. The identification clearly indicates the use of these The life platform is located to the station. We remind you that it is very important to move carefully and to hold on to the handrails in the stairway. In addition, to ensure
Sorry, I heard you and I was like, oh, I forgot to tell you that.
Oh yeah. They're so white. Look at them.
Oh, that is way. I thought it was a wave.
Yeah, I think it's the wave, right? It's like a foam wave.
Yeah. It's actually the whale.
3 of them.
Yeah.
Sometimes it will. Right here in Quebec.
Si on travaille des bruns, des bleus, des gris, c'est normal. Les bruns sont des nouveau-nés, ils ont moins d'une année. Les bleus, ils ont 2, 3, 4 ans, les gris 5, 6, 7 ans, et les tout blancs sont adultes. Ce sont les adultes.
That's a lot of them.
Yeah, the whole
Like the whole troop.
flock of them.
Like this one is
So right now we're going to cross the border between salt water and fresh water. We're in fresh water right now, and that's where the line is. Right there's this line. This is where salt water starts.
Oh wow, it's really heavy.
The difference is
Here it's less heavy.
not visible because it's dark. It's not sunny, but when it's sunny, they say it's very visible difference in colors. Oh my God, we're crossing salt water right now.
It's amazing how it's
They're not
like,
mixed.
Yeah, they're much more.
Isn't it crazy?
Mixed. The nature how it's done.
Wow.
Wow.
It's why there's no mix.
So all the container boats go to the Great Lakes.
How is that?
Toronto, Cleveland.
How does
Exactly,
it
they
work?
pass through here.
This is insane.
Green water.
Yeah, look, why is it crazy here and not here? It's crazy.
And boom, and we're crossing the border, salt water, into the salt water right now.
Probably why there's no wave on the side.
And boom, we're here.
Et là, on plonge dans une eau.
Yes, the lighthouse. There's
Insane.
people who live on it. It was activity like an airport and everything.
So that's the last of freshwater vehicles.
Okay, not far from Maryland.
There are penguins.
Right there. Just
There are
outside the
literally
District of
penguins
Columbia.
here.
Okay.
Yes. Fairfax.
Oh, I know.
Okay, so the dolphins, oh not dolphins, the whales came out twice, but not too high. You could barely see their backs, and they go back to water for about 10 minutes, and then surface for about like 2 seconds. All these boats are waiting for the same thing, waiting for the bills to come out. Those hatchbacks, and we didn't see the other ones. Okay, another Fairmont hotel. What is it? I don't know, but it's a castle. That's all I know. It's a castle. And this is the view. That's Lemonade, whatever, I cannot read French. Children are tired after their watching and long drive. Doesn't want to be on the camera. She's hiding from me. Oh, look at this table. Old table. Gorgeous. So we are in our hotel, ready for breakfast. There's a view from our window. How about that? Gorgeous. It's a little foggy, but nevertheless beautiful. Okay, another stop and another beautiful village, and the name of the village, but it's exactly on the side of the lake, and that looks gorgeous. Railroad track right there, the fog and mountains, and that's Leon and Lily. Little convenience store. We just stopped with their own private label stuff. Got some cookies. It's very nice. Where's she at with her? She's going out, don't know. Come on. Wow, she's fast. Wow. Our lady is racing. Where's the sunglasses? So what happened here is our flight was cancelled and we don't know when are we going. We're going home. Fun. Girls are staying in line right there. Oh gosh, I don't want to be here for another 2 days. Honestly, I need to work. Not fun at all. This is a huge line of people who wants to get on another flight, and we get 2.5 hours away and we're so far in line, it's crazy.